Katiso Molefe turned to the High Court in Johannesburg in his fight for freedom after being denied bail by the Alexandra Magistrate Court in August. His legal team insists the court misdirected itself, saying the state's case rests purely on speculation that Molefe is running a syndicate of contract killings.
They say that Mr. Molefe is both a middleman and the client, inconsistently, completely. And the magistrate finds, unjustifiably so, that he's a middleman. But the state plead that he's both. Now what that means is that they don't know what their case is. So that's a fundamental misdirection. Not only do you not have to find that that's a misdirection, but it fortifies the view that you should form in our submission that this magistrate erred, and you're absolutely free to make your own finding.
Molefe was arrested in July, accused of orchestrating the murders of DJs Sumbody and Vintos in 2022. At that time, he was already out on bail after the assassination of Veronica engineer and whistleblower Armand Swart. He had been granted bail in the matter by Acting Judge President Whistleblower. His defense leaned on that ruling, arguing that the circumstances which secured his bail in the Swart case have not changed.
Judge Ledwaba gave him bail on exactly the same personal circumstances, facing premeditated. Found it's exceptional. There are further charges of premeditated murder. The circumstances remain the same. The opposition to bail is weighted on the strength having a strong case. The state have not demonstrated a strong case. Cash, WhatsApp messages, cell phone towers. If we were facing a discharge application, and the tests are entirely different, but just imagine for a moment that was the case against the state. There would be a 174. There's just speculation. There's no concrete evidence.
But the state insists the circumstances have changed drastically.
Circumstances have most certainly changed now. From facing 1 count of murder, he now faces 5 counts of murder. We're sitting here with 3 cases, 5 deceased people that were all killed in the same similar fashion by the same gunman, and what we allege is the same person that ordered the hits. Now, my lord, it doesn't take much of an academic argument to say, but this must be a syndicate, an organized crime syndicate, committing murder of these natures, of contract killings.
Revelations at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry have only added weight to that claim, linking Molefe to the so-called Big Five cartel, accused of fueling South Africa's deadly underworld economy. For now, Molefe remains behind bars at the Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Centre in Pretoria. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Veronica Makhoali in Johannesburg.